Building a modern, healthy tiny home on wheels requires careful planning and consideration of various factors. Here are some detailed tips to help you get started. And then for the first aspect, it's about the design and layout. And the first point is about optimize natural light. We can incorporate large windows, skylights, and sliding glass door to maximize natural light. Then about the ventilation. Okay, then this can help reduce the need for artificial lighting and improve mental health. Then for the second point, it's about efficient layout. We can plan the layout to maximize space, reduce clutter, and promote workflow. Then we can consider an open floor plan, multifunctional space, and built-in storage. Then for the third point is about the multifunctional space. We can use furniture that serve multiple purposes, such as a sofa bed or a desk with built-in storage. This can help reduce clutter and increase functionality. Okay, then for the second aspect, it's about the sustainable materials. And then for the first point is eco-friendly materials. We can choose materials that are sustainable, recycle, or locally sourced. Then example include reclaimed wood, bamboo, and low VOC paints. Then for the second point is low VOC paints and finishes. We can use paints and finishes with low volatile organic compounds or VOCs. Then we can improve indoor air quality and reduce health risks. Then for the third point is energy efficient appliance. We can select appliances that are energy efficient and suitable for tiny home living, such as propane or electric appliance. Then for the third aspect is health and wellness. Then for the first point of it is about air quality monitoring. We can install an air quality monitor to track indoor air quality and identify potential issues. Then for the second point is water filtration system. We can consider installing a water filtration system to ensure clean drinking water and reduce reliance on bottled water. Then for the third point is about the biophilic design. We can incorporate natural elements such as plants, living walls, or natural materials to promote well-being and connection to nature. Then for the fourth aspect is about the safety and security. And then for the first point is about the proper insulation. We can insulate the tiny home to regulate temperature, reduce energy consumption, and prevent moisture buildup. Then for the second point is fire safety. Then we can install smoke detectors, ensure proper electrical installation, and have a fire extinguisher on hand. Then for the third point is secure storage. We can use secure storage solution for valuables and hazardous materials such as lock cabinets or safes. Then for the fifth aspect is about off-grid capabilities. Then for the first point of it is about the solar power. We can consider installing solar panels to generate electricity and reduce reliance on external power source. Then for the second point of it is about rainwater harvesting. We can collect and store rainwater for non-potable uses such as flushing toilets or washing clothes. Then for the third point is composting toilet. Then we can consider installing a composting toilet to reduce water consumption and waste. Then for the sixth aspect is about the practical consideration. Then for the first point is about the research local regulation. We can understand local laws and regulation regarding tiny homes on wheels, including zoning restriction and building codes. Then for the second point of it is about the plan for storage. Then we can consider storage solution for items that won't fit in the tiny home, such as outdoor storage units or off-site storage facilities. Then for the third point is about the budgeting. We can create a budget and plan for ongoing expenses. Then about the including maintenance, insurance, and utility bills. Then for the seventh aspect is about additional tips. It's important additional tips for my version. It's about the prioritize needs over wants. We can be intentional about what you include in your tiny home, prioritizing essential features and functionality. Then for the second point is about the consider vertical space. The vertical space is very important for a small home like this. We can use wall-mounted shelves, storage units, and loft space to maximize vertical space and reduce clutter. Then for the third point is about the flexibility. We can design the space to be flexible and adaptable to changing needs, such as using modular furniture or multifunctional space. Then for the eighth aspect, it's about the maintenance and upkeep. Then for the first point is about the regular maintenance. We can regularly inspect and maintain the tiny home system, including plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Then for the second point is about the cleanliness. We can keep the tiny home clean and organized to reduce stress and improve mental health. Then for the third point is about the seasonal preparation. We can prepare the tiny home for seasonal change, such as winterizing pipes or installing storm windows. Okay, well, by following these tips, you can build a modern, healthy tiny home on wheels that meets your needs, promotes well-being, and reduce environmental impact.